Welcome to Speedlane. Honda City Hybrid production begins. Production of the Honda City eHEV Hybrid has commenced in India. The car is being manufactured at brand's Tapukara plant in Rajasthan. Bookings for Honda City Hybrid commenced earlier this month. The car will be available in top-spec ZX trim. It will be offered with features such as an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, and a one-touch electric sunroof. The car will also come with Honda sensing features like lane keep assist, collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and auto high beam. Powering the City Hybrid is a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with two electric motors offering a combined output of 124 bhp and 253 Newton meters. The engine is mated to a continuously variable transmission (CVT) and comes with three drive modes: EV, hybrid, and petrol. Maruti hikes prices by 11.6 thousand. India's largest car maker has announced a price hike across all its models. The hike is effective from 18th April and the prices have increased up to 1.3%. The latest price hike affects the cars sold through the Nexa and Arena channel. The prices of Alto has been increased by Rs 5,304 while Vitara Brezza sees the steepest rise of Rs 10,192. Coming to the Nexa range, the Ignis gets a hike of Rs 6,955, but it's the Ciaz customers who will feel the pinch the most, thanks to the price jump of Rs 11,693. Skoda Volkswagen start third shift at Chakan plant. The demand for models like Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Tiguan has been strong. Hence, the company plans to accelerate deliveries of the Slavia and is also gearing up for the launch of the Volkswagen Virtus in Q2 2022. To this effect, the factory now operates in three shifts. Volkswagen recently began exports of the T-Cross to Mexico and plans to start exports of the other India 2.0 models in the coming months. Therefore, with demand expected to grow both on the domestic and export front, the company has decided to start the third shift. The Skoda Auto Volkswagen India plant at Chakan is spread over 540 acres. Ferrari 296 GT's convertible showcased. The Ferrari has taken the wraps of its 296 GTs, the open-top version of the brand's mid-engine hybrid supercar, the 296 GTV. The new Ferrari 296 GTs comes in the form of a hard-top convertible capable of being raised and lowered in 14 seconds at the speed of up to 45 km per hour. The Ferrari has reworked the rear deck to accommodate the retractable roof. The hard-top splits into two sections and is stored away in the front half of the engine bay, allowing the car to feature the rear glass to keep engine bay visible. Apart from the mentioned change at the rear, the new 296 GTs remains unchanged. It even carries forward the same cabin layout and comes with the identical set of features and tech as a standard coupe. The 296 GTs is heavier though, tipping the scale at 1540 kg compared to the 1470 kg dry weight of the coupe. The additional weight is likely from the roof folding mechanism and the necessary structural changes. The new Ferrari 296 GTs carry forward the same 3-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor. The powertrain produces a combined total of 830 bhp and 740 Newton meters. The convertible supercar is said to be capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds and can reach a top speed of 330 km per hour. The hybrid powertrain also offers an electric-only range of 25 km. So that's it for this episode. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel to get daily updates about automobile related news.